Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. We are back with the very popular Michael grab bags. I know, I went back and found these bags, so this time there weren't any boxes, so let's hope that these bags are filled with some goodies. This first one, it's pretty heavy, so I got this for my friend Kat. She loves grab bags and her birthday's coming up, so I want to include it as part of her birthday gift. And so I'm going to put that aside, and I think we should start with this bag and we will have a look and see, whoa, that's kind of heavy, what the rest of these bags have. Now I'm hoping to put or include some of the items that I find here in my upcoming giveaway, so stay tuned. If you missed my other unboxing of a Michael grab bag box, make sure to check that out because some of the items there will be part of the giveaway. So they have double bagged it. Oh my gosh, what do we have here? It is one of these Beanie Babies. Oh my gosh, Emmy or one of my nieces will like this. It's a Paw Patrol one. Really cute. Let's see what else. We got a Craft Smart sticker booklet and it says Rainbow Basics. I love the colors, perfect for the summer. How cool is that? That's really cute. Really nice for planners or journaling. See what else we have here. We have another one and it looks like it's the same one, so that's definitely going in my rack mail giveaway. I have another one here and I think I know who I'm going to give this to. How fun. Let's see what else. Something leafy. We have some artificial tulip. That's really pretty. I love that. There is no price on that. Let's just see, how much do these retail? Doesn't say either, but that's pretty. I'm sure this at least retails more than $5. We have another Craft Smart. Now this time it's a different collection. Planner Brights. So this is basics. I like this one. Oh, this is nice. I like the colors of this one. That's really pretty. And something pointy here. We have White Rose. That would look cute with the tulips. There is one more item, or no, two more items in here. We have a Happy Planner. This one says July 2020 to December 2021. I can still use this. This is the wellness one. This sounds great. And on the cover, let's see what it says. Disconnect to reconnect. And this is what it looks inside. I can still use this for this year. So this is the setup. Ooh, I like the dividers. That's really pretty. Let's see what February, April. Did I read it right? Press pause. That's really nice. And we are going into July of this year. That is really pretty. I love it. Here's August and so on. Nice. I can still use this. So excited. Now let's check what other item is in here. There's one more. And it's a reading discovery. Can you make the grade? Are you smarter than a fifth grader? 180 questions. It'll be fun for my daughter Emmy, or we can share it with one of her friends. Let's look at bag number 2. I'll pick this one here. Let me just open it up. Oh my gosh. We have Slimy Gloop Slimy Sand, moldable and stretchable. Construct and crush. £2, 2 colors. This will be interesting. Emma actually likes slimy stuff and clay and all that stuff, so I think she will have fun playing with that this summer. This one, oh, I love it. That's so pretty. That's really pretty. That'll go with our floral bouquet there that we'll put together. One of those teeny TYs, and this time it's a cute owl. So we got our little doggy. So as you can tell with the boxes, of course you get more items. But so far I'm okay with what we have here, because if you know how much a Happy Planner costs, then you know that it's already paid for these bags. And some of these florals cost a lot too, and this toy, at least a good $20 I think, or $15. Let's open our next one. This one's heavy. Oops, sorry about that. Oh, I like it. I see mint, and I love that color. Check it out. This is really cool. I love this. That awkward moment when you're not sure if you have free time, that is so true, or you're just forgetting something. That's cool. So let's see, what dates do we have here? It starts in July, and let's see if it goes through December. So this still works out. Let's pull this off and see what the pages look like. Oh, I love this. This is really cool. I don't mean to interrupt people. I just randomly remember things and really get excited. That's funny. My favorite childhood memory is not paying bills. Oh, I think I love this. So let's see, April. I actually like this one better than the first one. So we'll see. Oh, that's really cool. Which one to keep and which one to include. But I really like this. It's so funny. Alright, guess what the heavy item in this bag is? It is petrified wood. I actually do tea dyeing of paper, and I actually use garden rock to hold down the paper so it doesn't fly away, and this will actually come handy. Now the other heavy item in this bag is this one, and my daughter Emmy loves rock, so this will be a great addition. This one's called Marble Rock. So we're trying to redesign the side of our yard to make it a little bit more zen garden looking. I think this will be a great addition to that garden. I love the shape too. So we have those. I'll put that aside there. I have another cute little owl here, so I'll probably give that to my niece. And it looks like we have another one of those Are You Smarter Than a Fifth Grader? So we'll have to share that with friends. And we have, oh, this is cool, magnetic photo pocket, and it has protect and display your favorite photos on nail surfaces. That's really cool. I like that. So it looks like this one contains one, so I'll have to try that out. And let us open one more bag. And this one felt like notebooks. I'm excited because I want to alter this into covers for some of the journals I'm making, but we'll see. I don't even know if they are notebooks. It just feels like they're hardbound. In my favorite color, Notes and More. This is from Recollections. I love this color. This is awesome. Oh my gosh, this is really cool. I don't think I want to take this apart. This is an actually functioning bullet journal. This is so cool. I love this. That is awesome. Oh my gosh. So we have one. Let's see what else we have here. Another one in the same color. Wow, look at this. We have I love the texture of this. This is really nice in pink. And this time it has silver gilding on the side there. How awesome is this, guys? Wow, so we have that one. I'll put that there. Here's one in gold. Wow. And it says track list plan on the side there. And look at this, really nice. I'm gonna have to save some of these for my daughter's friends. They're big on bullet journaling. This is awesome, and they're all going off to college in the fall, so I think this will come handy. How awesome is that? We have another gold one here. And let's see what else is in this bag. And one more. I really love this cover. That's really cool. Let's see the inside. Make sure it's intact. Wow, what a super deal. Really awesome. So there you have it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this Michael Grab Bags unboxing. Super happy with the items that I got here. Also, stay tuned. I will be posting a video soon for an upcoming rack mail giveaway, and I will be showing you which one of these items made the cut in that giveaway bag. So stay tuned. Thanks again for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.